The purpose of this warm-up quiz is to get students working as soon as the tardy bell sounds. It also provides students with practice on previous math topics. This timer will count down for them to begin the quiz in class. The warm-up quiz answers are coming up next after all students have picked up their paper at my desk, where I have photographed each one. Answers are 413 over 640, negative 1 12th, 143 over 108, 1/2, 290 over 189. If they are mixed numbers and equivalent to the fractions that are on the screen, that is fine. No decimals. Lottery numbers are 4, 6, 2, 9, and 7. The following are the solutions to the previous school day's homework. Students will get 100 points if they show all work for all problems. Students will get extra points for any correct answers they obtain. All student work is photographed before they check their own paper. Homework answers. Number 1 is 8 or negative 6. 2 is 5 or negative 2. 3 is 2 or negative 10. 4 is 2 or negative 15. 5 is negative 6 or negative 7. 6 is negative 5 or positive 11. And on that one, that should be a plus sign here and a negative sign there. So that one would be a negative 3 minus 8, which would be a negative 11. Negative 5, negative 11. Number 7 is 7 or 2. 8 is 8 or 4. 9 is 3 or negative 10. 10 is 6 or 2. The following are extra credit answers for the assignment that was given as extra credit with the previous homework assignment. For the extra credit, they are 2 points each, and number 1 is negative 8 or 2. 2 is negative 9 or negative 5. 3 is negative 10 or 12. 4 is negative 11 or 6. And 5 is negative 3 or 12. The YouTube bonus from 312 is 7 or 8. The following is a practice problem. All students will be given enough time to complete their answer and bring it to the table. For this problem, we will do questions on this one. What is the first step, Wilburn? That's right. Move the 60 to the right, change the sign. What is my next move? Martin. What's my next move? Hammond.
Find half of 7 and square it.
Half of 7 and square it, yes. What is half of 7 as a fraction? Baldridge. 7 over 2 is right. And what is 7 over 2 squared? Montavon. The square of 7 over 2, Boyd. 49 over 4. So I'm going to write it here. Where else do I write it? Deerfield. Where else do I write 49 over 4, Courtney? Where else do I write 49 over 4? Who is that? Woodrow. Where else do I write 49 over 4, Carver?
Well, you take your 60 down, put it on the other side of the equals line, bring it right down. And then you take that plus 49 over 4 and you put, yeah, right
Alright, you add 49 over 4 onto the right side as well. What is my next move? Spradley.
Take half of 7. That's x minus 7 halves.
Minus?
Plus.
Plus 7 halves.
Squared.
And we'll square that. That's right. And what do I do next? Deems. What do I do next? Bradley. Yes, you simplify 60 plus 49. What is 60 plus 49 over 4? So what is 60 plus 49 over 4, Blevins C?
72 and 1/4.
As an improper fraction. Huh? As an improper fraction, what is the right side, Bailey? As an improper fraction, what is the right side, Blevins D?
289.
Yes, 289 over 4. What is the next thing I do? And that goes to Garrett.
Find the square root.
Square root of both sides, that's right. And what is the square root of the left-hand side Haskins?
X plus 7 halves.
Yeah, x plus 7 halves. And what is the square root of the right side Blizzard?
17 over 2.
It is not 17 over 2. The square root of the right side Armstrong.
Plus or minus 17 over 2.
Plus or minus 17 over 2 is right. Okay, from this point on, here's what we have to do. You need x plus 7 halves equals 17 over 2. X plus 7 over 2 equals negative 17 over 2. 17 halves minus 7 halves is 10 halves. And that's going to give you an answer of 5. On the right side, you'll have negative 17 over 2 minus 7 over 2. That is negative 24 over 2. X equals a negative 12. The following is a bonus problem for those who have completed the practice problem. The answer to this bonus problem should be 1 and 59/64. The following is a bonus problem for those who have completed the practice problem. The solution for this bonus problem, you have a negative a squared. A squared is going to be 4, but the negative sign makes it negative 4. And then plus negative 4 times negative c is 4. Minus a negative, or just minus b, is the same as plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is going to be 7, and you square that to get 49. And then you finish down here with a squared, which is going to be 4. Negative 4, and then this will give you a negative 196. So it would be minus 196 and then plus 4. Negative 4 minus 196 is negative 200, plus 4 is a negative 196. The following is a bonus problem for those who have completed the practice problem. For the bonus problem, negative c squared is going to be a negative 4. A squared is 1 times b is going to be 4. These cancel each other out. So you're left with negative b, that's negative 4, minus a negative 1 is going to be negative 3. Squared is 9, with the minus sign in front is going to make that negative 9. And then minus c squared is going to be minus 4, so the answer is negative 13. The following is a bonus problem for those who have completed the practice problem. For this bonus problem, you're going to end up with x over z. That's going to be a negative 6 over 8, which is really a negative 3 over 4. And if you square that, you get 9 over 16. y minus x, that's a negative 2 minus a negative 6. That'll give you 4. Square it to get 16. And then minus z squared will be minus 64. Alright, so if I have 9 plus 6, or 9 sixteenths plus 16, that is really 16 and 9 sixteenths. And I subtract 64. 16 and 9 sixteenths minus 64. You can do 265 over 16 minus. And then if you need a denominator of 16 here, you would have to multiply 64 by 16 to come up with the numerator, which would be 640, 960, 1024, I believe. So 265 minus 1024. I don't have my calculator handy, but I can do the difference between 1024 and 265 and still get the same thing, and change the sign. So that would be 735, 759, so a negative 759 over 16, and then convert that to a mixed number. So you know 16 goes into 256 16 times, so 512 would be 32. So the final answer should come out to be a negative 47 and 7 sixteenths. The following homework assignment is due on the next school day. Students must show all work to get full credit, which is 100 points. Extra points are given for correct answers. For tonight, there's no homework because you have a test tomorrow. Perry, there's still a paper up here. The following is an extra credit assignment. It is optional. Students wishing to earn extra points can try the assignment. They will get points based on correct answers. Here is extra credit if you would like to do it. Congratulations, you have found the YouTube bonus, which is worth 20 points. Try the problem, show all work, do it on a separate sheet of paper. It will be asked for when we bring up the homework and the other extra credit. Thank you for watching this video from my classroom. Homework assignments can also be obtained at my website, which is www.skinnermoney.com.